Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the RC Garage, and today I am actually heading out. Probably by the title of this video you already know what I'm getting, but I'm heading out to get that RC right now, so you guys are going to come along with me and we're going to head out, go grab it at my local hobby shop. It's about like 30-40 minutes away, so yeah, we're going to go grab that right now and let's get to it. Alright guys, I am here and I am back with my new Traxxas / kit. So, the reason I got this instead of like a standard two-wheel drive slash that's already built and is like $20 cheaper is because I've always wanted to try to build a kit. You know, I've always wanted to just try to build my own RC car. And I didn't want it to be like a race kit because I don't race at the moment. So I think this is perfect because it's not really a full, like race kits, you have to assemble your own shocks and stuff. This one, the shocks are already assembled. You just kind of have to put everything together. So that's why I got this one, because it's like an introduction to like kits, and like it's a lot easier. So let's get started with the unboxing. Got my cutter here. Just gonna slice up here if I can. There we go. Doo-doo. There we go. Of course, I don't want to damage the box because I save all my boxes just because I'm weird like that. I don't know, I like to do that. Okay. I have a trash can right there, I know, but right for the time being, I'm just going to throw it on the ground. Okay, so let's take a look around the box. That's what it's going to look like when it's all assembled. It comes with a clear body. BF Goodrich tires, 2075 servo, torque clutch, zipper clutch, all the stuff that it comes with. And then on the side, just some more, a picture of it. Other side has what's in the box. So let's see, unassembled chassis kit, XL5 waterproof ESC, and in the thumbnail you kind of already seen, we're not going to be needing that. We're not going to be needing the motor either, because I'll show you more in depth and we'll kind of go through what the motor and ESC I am going to put in it. Decal sheet and paint, mask, full color step-by-step assembly manual, 2.0 and 2.5 millimeter T-handle wrench, and 1.5 millimeter L wrench. And then the slash body right there. What else? Traxxas support. Assemble what you'll need. I have all that. So this is actually the first Traxxas car that I've ever brought in brand new, which is crazy. I know this is two what's it called, short course trucks back to back, but I just really wanted to get this slash kit. Ever since it came out, I wanted it, and now I have it, so now I wanted to get it, so I bought it. So I think the standard like slash like tool drive, you know, brushed, it's like 180. This was 200. I don't know why they make you pay for more for an unpainted body and you have to put everything together, but it's $20 more, which I don't really mind. It's the experience, I guess, you're paying for. But yeah, so I cut all the tape. Let's take this off. Shake, sorry, the camera's shaking. Let me put you down for a sec. Put that off to the side. Okay. So now we're in it. We're in the stuff. Here is the body. Standard slash body. I don't know what paint scheme I'm gonna do yet. If you guys have any suggestions, I don't know if you've seen, and was it my last video? No, the video of me, my garage tour. I have about like 5 different, oh, that's my motor over there. I have about 5 different paints, and really, every freaking time. Thank you. Okay, so I have like 5 different paint colors. I might actually go pick up like a couple more just to see what color I want to paint. If you guys have any suggestions, leave them down in the comments to see what I should paint the body. I don't know yet. I'm still working on and debating on what color. Okay, now here are all the electronics. So I'm guessing the remote is in there. Let's take this off because it's taped. Okay. So here are the electronics. Motor, servo, ESC. Like I said. Oh, and the receiver. Like I said, we're not going to be using the motor and ESC. Might throw it in something else. Who knows? I don't know. We'll see. Here is the remote. I'll open this up for you guys just to... I'm pretty sure everyone's seen a Traxxas remote. I actually don't have one, so technically I've never seen one in person. So I'm going to open it up for me. Hold on, I'm going to have to put you guys down again real quick. Give me a sec. Okay, I got the remote out. There it is. Just a simple Traxxas remote. Never had one. Now I do. And that's going to go to there. And the tires, the BF Goodrich licensed tires. The wheel nuts right there. Put that off to the side. Okay, let's see. What's this bag? Front suspension bag. Okay, saw the front suspension. Cool. Next bag. Rear suspension bag. A-arms. Stuff like that. Okay. Off to the side. Next bag. Oh, chassis. Here is the chassis. The chassis bag. Okay. Cool. Here is the shock bag. See how like the shocks are already built? You just kind of have to put the springs and stuff on them. I think with race kits you have to like build the whole shock. You have to do everything, not just the springs. Transmission bag. Got to put the transmission together. Cool. What's left? Differential bag. The rear differential. Okay. Let's see what else. This stuff. So this is all the paperwork. There's the tools, and then here's the foam block for like the battery. I think I'm pretty sure, and then shock spacers to stiffen or like raise your ride height and stiffen your suspension. Stickers for after you paint the body, and then the instruction manual. Definitely gonna need that. This is like one of the only cars where you can't just throw away the instruction manual or the assembly manual because you need it to assemble the whole car. So now that we have all this in here, I'm just gonna put all this back real quick. I think for this build, I'm obviously gonna do it in multiple parts. So yeah, I don't know how many parts. I'll probably do like, maybe I'll just like record, like just do a straight hour of recording without any cuts, and just whatever we get done in that hour, I'll upload that. Whatever we get done in the next hour, I'll upload that. You know, just stuff like that, or 30 minutes, whatever. But you know, I don't want to like cut anything. I want to be able to take you guys through the whole process of building the truck. So I'm gonna put this off to the side real quick. Okay, now that that's off to the side, I have the motor and ESC that I'm gonna be running. It is the Easy Run Hobbywing Easy Run Max 10, and for the ESC, and then the motor is the Hobbywing Easy Run 3652 3300 kV motor. So let's take these out. I already opened the motor just because this came in yesterday, so I kind of got excited and opened it. But I just looked at it and then I put it back. But let's see, is this a sleeve? Yeah, okay. There it is. Boom. Out. Okay. Now I'm going to take the motor out. I'm going to have a look at it. There we go. Here it is. The Hobbywing 3652 3300 kV motor. Nice little motor. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the ESC. The ESC I haven't opened. I just opened the box with the motor yesterday, and I haven't opened. Wait, is there any paperwork or anything in here? There is. So I'm going to save this. And this box can go in the trash. I know I said I save boxes, but not motor and ESCs. Just RCs. Trash. Okay. Now I need my cutter for this. There we go. Ooh, I don't know why. I mean, anytime you get a package, it's exciting, but especially getting a new RC car and a new motor and ESC, it's just something else. Okay. I haven't seen this. Just opened it. I mean, obviously, by taking off the plastic. Ooh. There it is. There is the ESC we will be running in the Slash. I don't know what I'm going to do with the other ESC. We'll see. But I might put it in something else, or maybe I'll just keep it in case, I don't know, I need it for something. I don't know. But here we are. Comes with XT60s. Obviously, I'm going to be changing those out for XT90s. Because that's what I run on all of my vehicles. There it is. Comes with a fan on top. Is this might be a little bit smaller than the Onyx ESC. I think it is a little bit smaller than the Onyx ESC that I put in my Wrestler. My Wrestler that's over there. I could grab it. Let me grab it real quick. Alright. So yeah, it is smaller than the Onyx ESC I have, if you guys can tell. I don't know if you guys can see because these wires are kind of in the way. But it is it's actually like kind of significantly smaller. I mean, it's shorter and it's not as wide as it's pretty small. So we'll see how that does. Hopefully it doesn't you know, burn up and just destroy my motor and my car. So we'll see. And the ESC also comes with an extra fan, which is pretty cool. An extra fan, and yeah, 3M tape, obviously, to stick it down, and an extra fan lead, right? Or am I tripping? I think it's just an extra lead, or it's an extension. I don't know, but it comes with extras, which is pretty cool. Onyx motor did not, so yeah. Oh, and some stickers. Oh, look at these stickers. I'll definitely be putting these on the Slash. Alright, well, that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video and you guys want to follow the build series, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you guys can see every time I upload a video about this build and about all my other RCs. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.